While this year's Detroit Motor Show largely resembled a truck apocalypse, luckily for us car enthusiasts, we had Infiniti come to the rescue with its stunning Q inspiration concept. Touted as a crystal ball gaze into the Japanese brand's next design direction, the Q inspiration is tipped to morph into a Q50 sedan replacement. But could Infiniti's concept translate well into a production version? One of the most impressive aspects of the Q inspiration concept was the staunch, yet minimalist design. We'd expect this to carry over for production, albeit slightly toned down, making for a vast visual improvement over the current Q50. Front-end styling is dominated by a big, Mercedes-AMG GTR-like imposing grille, slim inner-fin LED headlamps and a curvaceous hood. Gazing from the side reveals a diagonal fender crease, Tesla Model S-esque DLO, daylight opening area, and accompanying chrome work. Towards the back, muscular rear haunches help ground the car in an aggressive way, giving an appearance that the car is about to leap out at you. Don't worry, it won't, it's not a Mustang. The current 3.0-liter twin-turbo from the Red Sport 400 may carry over. If so, this unit will largely stay the same with minor improvements.